covered matter, but my learned friend made
Howdu.
submission is not covered. But
Submission.
this, it's not the case that he in individual capacity, he has transacted with the stolen property. That is not their case. Their case is that the accused number one, who is a thief, he has sold the property in the branch of the one.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
In the Attica Gold. And the branch is headed by
Yes,
this accused number
Jagdish,
two.
sir, page 150 is not covered.
It's not covered.
I leave it on this honorable.
He has given me the list of properties which,
All
according
right.
to him, we have taken it back.
Allah.
This is
Justice
the
Hemant Chandan Gowda judgment only, it is employee. Here is also an employee. How do you say it is not covered when you have not said anything there?
No, we have. Your Lordship may see this notice, madam. Correct.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್
Yes,
ಕೊಟ್ಟರದ
yes, that is-
ಆಯ್ತು
That
ಸರಿ.
is the issue. If I am not,
ಹ್ಮ್.
whether if I issued a notice to the company and then if I'm prosecuting him,
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್
that's correct. It is covered. It is covered.
ಅಲ್ಲ
But if-
ಸೇಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂನು
Allah, I don't know whether notice was issued to him there or not.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
that
No, but
that is
here-
that is the from column number 7 it is appears that they are been prosecuting him because he is the employee of the company. He received the property at the time of while he was working in the company. Yes,
Four-
on his employee as employee capacity, he has received it. And
Four-
my learned friend, even Supreme Court also have very clarified this aspect, Lord. It is not the
ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
no in the same judgment. Supreme Court judgment also has spoken
No,
spoken
Ah.
about this aspect. Same instance.
I place the Supreme Court judgment in that context. Supreme Court judgment rendered the judgment is that where the action of the company, you can't have a vicarious liability against this thing. That is the
Correct. He is
context.
also an employee.
No.
Even
Here, the person he is in custody. Your Lordship may see section 411.
who is in custody?
He was in custody.
He was arrested, wrongly arrested. They were arrested wrongly.
Your Lordship may see 411 IPC, my lord. For a moment, 411 of
But
IPC.
411 clearly says the intention. At
Correct.
the time of
correct.
purchasing a
No,
property,
Your Lordship may see
I should
411
have
of
an
it.
intention that I am buying a stolen property.
Hmm.
That was not there. When I'm having a shop, 100, I do 100 transactions in a day. If out of this 100 transaction, one transaction, one person come and sell the property to me. And on that basis, if I made a accuse, Lordship, there is
So that is the reason 411 is worded in a two different ways, my lord. May read-
Dishonestly receiving stolen property
No, not just receiving. Your Lordship may see the wordings, my lord.
or have reason to believe to be a stolen property.
please.
Whoever dishonestly receives or retains.
Ah,
The word retains.
Allah, how does one know that it's a stolen
Because
property?
I have issued a notice to him saying this is a stolen property.
Lordship,
It is fine. He did not know. He did not know it. When he received the property, he did not know it was stolen property. He knows.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೋಲನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಸೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋಲನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್?
No, the
ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್?
the modus of operandi of the petitioner and its organization is that the moment they receive the stolen property, is to change the nature of the property and
Correct. That they have done, it's all right. But how do you hold him responsible?
No, because he is the one who received it and he is in custody of that property because they've also issued us certificates for receiving the property. They have that.
ಅದು ಸ್ಟೋಲನ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು?
ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆ, ಮತ್ತೆ
But when I issued a notice, they came to know.
ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು
after 3
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
months.
So they
ಯಾವಾಗ 3 months ಆದ?
the issue, my lord, the language used is retained.
He has not retained, he has sold it.
That is not even the explanation.
Whoever it is,
That
they
he-
may even sell it.
Lordship, this
Whether he
I-
changed the nature of the property or not changed the nature of the property, he continued to retain the property.
Difficult.
No, otherwise, my lord, all these pawnbrokers, my lord, will come up tomorrow and say, no, we have disposed of the property.
So several pawn brokers have received the stolen property, but they have left them
And
out and they made me accused.
And I can place all
And
the
on my
affidavit.
case, in respect of my case only, they show this kind of diligence of arresting me. I have
there are-
listed out more than 70 cases. What has happened is police don't recover the cash from the main accused person. They forcefully seize property from us. After that, the complainant receives the property, then they compromise, both the case get closed. Most of the time, this only happen. And who is the loser? I am the used to be the loser. They force me to give a property which is actually not been sold. They force me to give a duplicate property.
No, I can place his own affidavit. He said, if the person is selling the property worth of more than X amount, we do due diligence.
Certainly.
Let him show in this case where he has done a due diligence when he accept the property.
What is that X amount?
He filed an affidavit, my lord. He said one
Yeah,
lakh
Lordship,
rupees.
This we are.
Beyond 1 lakh?
He says that we
Lordship,
physically very.
my submission is even till today, today also. If any persons come second time in a month or second time within 3 months, So we do the inquiry, we go to his house, we go to verify his capacity. At that level, we can do it. And Lordship kindly appreciate, not every time the accused comes and sells the property. Some he said, give it to his brother, his wife, or his friends. He comes and sells the property to us. In this case also, this might be happen. It is not possible for us to verify everything. And after 3 months of incident, they comes and do that. Yeah, I don't have any difficulty if they make a company as an accused person. They don't do that. And most of the cases,
ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಾಗ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್
No,
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
I say my lord. in this-
ವೈಕೇರಿಯಸ್ ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಕಂಪನಿ
No, it is not, it is not the,
ಅಲ್ಲ, he is not taken it for personal use, sir.
no, he is
It's for
receiving.
Attica Gold ಗೆ he has taken it. Correct. Why don't you make Attica Gold an accused?
We are at 319, my lord, we can, tomorrow also we can bring.
305 is there,
Then,
make them accused, I have no difficulty.
Initiation, vicarious liability ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಹೋಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್
The-
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್
no,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
The fact, my lord, in this case, the property was sold in the place where he was heading the shop.
Anyway.
And they have issued a notice to him.
The showroom.
And I'll place the affidavit, my lord, his own affidavit.
Ready.
He says that 2-3 times. No, he says every time he says.
ಆಯ್ತು, place whatever you want to
I'll place that affidavit on.
Monday.
Yes.
Yes. List on Monday in the fresh matters.
But 43 is also similar matter. Serial
ಯಾವ್ದು?
number 43. It also may be tagged and may be
ಅದು
considered
Monday.
Monday.
Tag along with 43, list them both on Monday in the fresh matters list. Place that affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
But why you don't initiate proceedings against Attica Gold? Well, why only employees?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? Attica Gold ತಾನೆ ಅದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Not even single case, Lordship.
We only prosecuted.
So many times it been highlighted also.
We prosecuted
Even
the
court
director.
has given a direction
It
to,
came before your lordship,
to
it's
make
not the
accused
matter.
company as a party. They never do that.
ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ವಾರ
Same
Lordship, charge sheet is filed. Lordship kindly appreciate. One of the case, the Tarvikare, charge sheet is filed. He's not made accused. He made to suffer in the jail.
No, charge sheet is filed.
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, on that
Charge
day.
sheet is
Now,
filed.
before the one earlier Tarvikare police.
ಹಾ.
There are,
First order was
Not
passed.
an accused.
Charge sheet was filed. Accused he was not made accused.
because the property was not, in that case, property was not sold to them. We will not.
Even in the case of the Dodbalapur also, charge sheet, he will not be made accused.
No,
I
he
said
he may
Monday-
not be made an accused. I
Monday
don't know.
ಕೊಡಿ.
I don't have that much of
No, my
information.
humble
as my
submission,
brother
Lordship,
friend.
I am
as
not coming to the way of
as
their
investigation.
investigation. Let them do whatever investigation. Fairly, they should do that. They should not trouble it. And these people are always, once they leave a job, they have to run around to the.
No, in fact, my lord, here also notice has been issued to company. I can place.
Why have you not made company the accused?
I have not made. my lord,
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
the notice issued to him. The kind of responses they gave is,
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಎಸ್.
they should have made, my lord, but I say, my lord, still-
ಮಂಡೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಏನ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes.
ಎಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್?
Not same.
ಸೇಮ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ an
The
affidavit?
managing director of the company files and
Director-
compiles an affidavit before your lordship in connected matter where your lordship.
That
has-
is the hospital case.
Yes,
Yes,
lordship.
yes.
I'm
There-
still abide by that kind of. all
There
this,
they filed an affidavit
averment.
and said that if the money exceeds X amount, we will do physical verification of the customer. And this is 2,20,000 rupees. Did they do it? Answer is no.
We will do
Did they do it?
verification of the physical
Yes.
verification.
That is what they filed an
They will
affidavit.
verify it physically ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
The
Physically, they verify the address.
The status.
Okay. Physical verification.
We can verify the status. The person is has capacity to
That's
hold
all.
that much property
All
or
right,
not.
all right. Yes.
That is what they filed an affidavit. I'll place that affidavit.
Madam, yes.
16.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. You present, you, all the officers who are present, let them
Yes,
go. Madam, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಲಿ.